Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT not responding. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A slow or unstable connection can cause delays or no response. Next, refresh the chat or swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for ChatGPT, swipe it away, closing it completely. Wait for a few hours and reopen the app. Sometimes the system gets stuck and needs a quick restart. Then try starting a new chat instead of continuing the old one. This can fix issues caused by the overload or long conversation. Then, if you're using a browser, clear cache and cookies and reload the page. This helps remove any corrupted data causing the issue. If the problem continues, wait for a few minutes and try again because it may be due to high server traffic. That's how you fix the ChatGPT not responding. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.